Hey guys, welcome to Mischievous Boy, and today I want to show you how you can convert any of your files in any format you want, especially Word file to PDF file. And you can convert the same document into Word file again. To make changes, it is very easy than you think. If you are interested, let's get into this. So basically, I'm going to show two different ways which you can use for converting your document. So let's start with the basic format of converting your PDF file into a Word document. As you can see, I'm on my desktop now. All you have to do is just open the PDF document here along with the Word, and then you have to right click on the document and drag it over into the Word document. Hit OK and wait for a few moments. As you can see, we have successfully converted this into a Word document, and you can change the word here. You can even change the pictures. Now we will save this document and we will move ahead to convert the same Word document into a PDF file. For this step, we are going to use one website named iLovePDF.com. This website is completely free where you can perform multiple tasks. As you can see, we're on the website now and there are multiple things that you can do here for free, like merge PDF, split PDF, compress PDF, and many more things. But we are here to convert our Word document to PDF file. So we'll select the Word document here, and then we'll click open, and then we'll click convert to PDF. Then we'll wait for a few moments. As you can see, you can download the PDF from here, and then we'll open it. And there you go. As you can see, we have successfully converted our Word document into PDF file. If you want to convert any other files to any format, just go to the same website again and follow the same procedure. I hope you have liked the video, and let me know in the comments down below what website do you use for converting your file. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Goodbye for now, and I'll see you in the next video.